Hey Ed, what's going on? My name's Keaton with Disio Media, and I'm going to show you just a couple things on Ahrefs, kind of explaining this keywords and at least where search engines, how those people searching keywords are finding these other guys. I did break down. Now, here's the keyword New York City roofing contractors. So the idea is anybody typing this keyword, they're looking for a roofing contractor in New York City, and it gives us some analytics of keyword difficulty. This is 0 out of 100, so it gives us an idea of how many people are trying to rank for it, how many other websites are ranking for that specific keyword, and how difficult it'll be. And then how much people per month are searching that keyword. So we can see that 450 people are searching that keyword phrase per month there in New York. I also pulled up one for plumbers to show you real quick. So plumbers New York. Again, 700 people search that one per month, and it's 34 out of 100. Gives us an idea of how many, how difficult it is to rank for that. And then this Ahrefs tool is real cool. We can do some more things and actually see who is ranking for them. We've got Home Advisor there. We've got Angie's List. We've got Yelp. We've got the right plumbers. Looks like the closest local one. So we can even open theirs up. And we can check out what buyer intent keywords they have, what their backlinking strategy is. So instead of Keyword Explorer, we'll click over to Site Explorer, put their website in. Let's get rid of that. And let's search it. I usually have this set up before, so I apologize. But here we are. So we've got, waiting for these. We can see how much organic traffic. So 632 people visited their website in 1 month. This is how many keywords that are ranking for, 921 individual keywords. And then we can see how many referring domains and how many backlinks they have. So this all goes into SEO. Content is king, so you want compelling, creative, informative, and helpful content is always going to help you rank for these keywords, but backlinks is going to help as well. But we can, break it down even more on this website just with this one tool and look at their backlinking profile. So, which ones are actually helping their website, which ones are actually bringing traffic into their website, how many backlinks they have for each domain, or they do follow, don't follow. So this just goes along with building that backlinking strategy to start ranking. But yeah, no, I'm definitely interested to know more about what you've got going on, what your goals are. But it does really depend on what kind of trades you're in, if you're doing general contracting or if you're specifying, because and exactly what town's the city, because it really depends. So I'd love to ask you some more questions, and if you're interested, feel free to give me a call and see if this is the right fit for you. All right, Ed, you have a good one. We'll see you.